Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, that felt like shit. Oh, I gotta move that. I hope that was cinematic enough, because this thing is finally done. And because it's finally done, I'm gonna load her up on the trailer and get ready for the season opener. Ready to see the final results? So I started this whole video thing back in November. The only reason why I really wanted to record rebuilding this, from blowing the turbo up, fixing all the damage, putting the livery on, changing my fuel system, was just solely as something to do during the off season. There's a car coming and I feel awkward talking to this. He's looking at me, he waved, he pointed and laughed. I really hope anyone that's watched this has enjoyed themselves, maybe laughed a little, and I cannot thank anyone who's watched this enough. I've enjoyed it. I've had a blast. I have no idea what I'm going to post after this. I have zero video ideas. Well, since I'm done, I think it's time to put this bad boy on the trailer. As long as I don't back into the fucking truck behind me. So, my new lip's pretty fucking low. I don't know if I'm gonna clear. That should be smart to actually get out and check. It did! That's pretty cool. Finally, it's back in the trailer. Thanks again.